Good morning, girls. Come on. You coming? Beaver Stew Buddies, this is Feathers Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. We're on our way out to the barn, and Mr. Beefy's trying to get up on Black Betty, but he's too short. Maybe I'll have to get the poor guy's step stool. Hopefully he can get his job done. We'll see. Ain't good. Good morning, guy. Good morning, Black Betty. Ain't my pig. You survived the thunder showers last night, Black Betty? Beefer, I saw you trying to get some this morning, Beef. You're muddy, buddy. Hey, buddy. You love Black Betty? She's your friend. Morning, boys. How you doing, boys? Alan. Steven. Come say hi, Stevie. Stevie boy. Ready, girls? She's going in first. You heifer, you gotta go over here and get tied up. Come on. Get it? No.
She can't reach fast.
Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Good girls. Come on. Come on, Sarah. Okay. Come on, Mavis. Go get milk. Girl. Here, pig. Today's project is going to be tear down a fence where the last owner used to keep a dog. Our dogs are too big and jump over the fence, so the fence is pointless blue. He gets tied up on a chain. He's really well behaved on the chain. He doesn't mind the chain. He's got a nice house, you know, he can get out of the weather, but he don't. He lays out and gets rained on. He's a good old farm dog, but he don't stay. He wanders. He's looking for them cheekies because he still has his manhood hanging, so he gets chained up when we're not home. So I got to run up to the Amish hardware store and get a pair of fencing pliers. I can't find my fencing pliers. I had a couple pair. I can't find them, so I got to go up and get a pair of fencing pliers so I can pull the staples out and get this fence taken down before we get rain. They're calling for thunder showers this afternoon. So this is the setup. You take a handyman jack, farmer's jack, rancher's jack, whatever you want to call it. You lag bolt it to your T-post and you just jack it up. And it just pulls it right out of the ground. Nice and simple, easy. It's almost effortless. Can't beat that. Now I can even save these and reuse them. Bam. This one isn't near as rotten as the other one was. You just pull your screw out. I mean, this is one of them big, giant things that works. There's a thunder shower moving in over from the west. I don't know if we're gonna get wet or if it's just gonna make noise, but it sure is pretty. tree. Guess I'm going in. And so it rained. Woo! It cooled off though. The humidity is cutting. So after the rain, maybe it'll be nice. Storm's passing. Get back to work. Well, at least now I'm ready for the shed tomorrow. We're gonna try to move our roadside stand shed tomorrow. See how that goes. At least have a place to put it. I have 2 skid loaders scheduled. Our old landlord, he's gonna let me borrow his, and a buddy of mine, he's gonna let me borrow his. So Papa-in-law decided he wants to take the day off work. I don't know if he's slow or whatever. Well, he is slow, but I don't mean that kind of slow. So looks like we're gonna get after some stuff tomorrow.
Hefty boy.
Hey, I gotta go. Got him? He's a hefty boy. Okay. I have to mend my gates. My one gate's a little high. The boys can slide right underneath, and we're really trying to keep them away from the girls for now. We're planning on using the boys to breed this fall, but this summer they're all going to be separate. The girls are going to be together, and then the boys, I'm going to probably get one of them Premier One fences or something. But right now we're spending money like it's going out of style, so we're gonna pull the reins back. We don't need to spend another $200 on fencing, so there we go. It's all cleaned up, looking pretty good around here. I wish this was grass over here, but I guess I can scrape off the stones and put on some topsoil and then plant grass, or I don't know, maybe I'll leave it, just get rid of this grass here and make it all driveway. Mulch around my sycamore tree. I got 2 big sycamores. This one's much bigger than the other one over there, but it's all cleaned up. We're gonna have a nice little pile of lumber I'm not sure. Some of it's good, some of it's junk. So over there, right between here and here, that's where our roadside stand's gonna go. So they'll have nice road access. Got to put a sign out. Then we can start selling our stuff again. Sarah said something about making some sourdough bread tonight, so I think I'm gonna call it quits. I got my job done today that I really wanted to do. So we're ready to move the roadside stand for sure. So I'm gonna go in, have myself a nice, warm, fresh baked piece of sourdough bread, slathered with jelly probably. So see you in the wash. See you, love you, bye.